The Prime Minister arriving at the tunnel. This is the Cheneni entrance of the tunnel. Along with the Prime Minister, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Union Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, the Governor N.N. Vora, the Prime Minister unveiling the plaque and formally inaugurating and dedicating to the nation the Cheneni Nashri Tunnel, a 9.2 kilometer engineering marvel, state and increasing connectivity and by a spin-off development. The Prime Minister right now sitting for a group photograph with all the engineers of the company that actually executed this project. It is a great technological marvel. They've cut through a mountain, a 19-kilometer long passage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Jammu and Kashmir Governor N.N. Vora, Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on a mounted vehicle are actually right now going inside the tunnels. These lights that you see, this is the Cheneni entrance. About 6,000 LED lights will be lighting the tunnel. Now the Prime Minister along with the Jammu and Kashmir Governor and the Chief Minister reviewing the tunnel. The evacuation tunnel also serves another purpose. In the event of a fire, it can pump in air to control the fire right up to the main tunnel so that it does not get into the evacuation tunnel and people can be brought out safely. The Prime Minister actually walking in the tunnel, taking a review of the various features. The Prime Minister waving. It's being beamed live on television screens across India. The Prime Minister of India actually dedicating the tunnel, taking a walk in this. Right up, he entered from the Cheneni side, went right up to the Nashri side, and now on his way back. Overall, he through the journey, he reviewed he got down from his vehicle, stopped his vehicle, reviewed the various measures, systems there, went out to the escape tunnel, walked into the escape tunnel, saw it for himself. The technical management team explained the various features to him, and now the Prime Minister is on his way back to the Cheneni side. This tunnel, which has ensured preservation of the forest in the ecologically sensitive Patni Top area, would prove to be a milestone in providing better integration of Jammu, not only with the people of the Kashmir Valley, but also with the regions with Kishtwar, Doda, Bhadarwah, providing better connectivity and of course reduced travel time and safe travel. So we can see the Prime Minister right now reaching the Cheneni end after going through the tunnel. The Prime Minister had entered the tunnel from the Cheneni side and gone right up to into reality in a time frame of just about 4 years, which is a record in itself. And of course, it's an engineering marvel to cut the tunnel, to cut a mountain for 19 long kilometers and provide a tunnel in such a short span of time. The Prime Minister waving at the people, the actual workforce behind this tunnel. after inaugurating the tunnel and dedicating it to the nation, the Prime Minister heading back from the Chenani Nashri tunnel. Now the Prime Minister from here will go down to Udhampur, where he shall be addressing a public rally after dedicating to the nation this tunnel. He shall be speaking to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm sure he has a message to deliver. We shall be beaming that rally live to you in a little while, because the Prime Minister will now be taking off from Chenani, which is a little distance from Udhampur, and he'll be landing in Udhampur, where he shall be addressing the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And I'm sure it's expected that he will be talking about